All right, here I am, 426 Livingston Avenue. It's May 14th, about 12:30, and I'd hired Kevin Myers to clean out these gutters. Now, he called me last night. He said gutters are all cleaned out. Wanted to check for $690, and we agreed to something like that. Here's the fourth place I've checked. Oh no, it's the third place I've checked. Here's the downspout. And this gutter ain't even thought about being cleaned out. Here's the downspout right here. It was completely clogged up. Here's just all this right here. So what he said he did and what he did is two different stories.